Hello and welcome to Offworld Trading Company on Corn Chips and Mayo. I'm Mine2 and I'm recording a skirmish today. The single player skirmish. This game is a stock trading almost type of game set on Mars, so it's really quite cool. New skirmish, here we go, difficulty. I am really bad at this game most of the time, so I go below the average. Yeah, it's not great. Anyway, it's a difficult game, and I'm not too good at it. But here we go anyway, it's just displaying the game. We've got teams here. So we've got me, that's Dwayne, AI players out of 4. We'll just have 3 AI players. Type random. Okay, so let's play the game. This is a game where you set up a base and you mine different resources on Mars and you try and get your stock price up so that other players can't buy you out with money they make. And you try and buy out everyone else. So when you start, which will be in a second here, you'll see this area. You scan the area for different stuff. So there's different types of bases. You have your I forget the name. I better get going anyway. I have to do this quick. Well, everyone else started. I'm a bit behind here, so I have to get going. Sorry. So we need to find some iron and aluminium near each other. There is almost nothing on this map. Here we go. There's some iron.
A scavenger HQ has been upgraded.
There we go. So now we're going to put some mines on this iron, put a mine on some aluminium, and let's get some, what else do we need? Let's get some power up going. So at the end of the game, as I told you, is get the most money so you can buy stocks in each other players.
HQ has been upgraded.
And then to buy other players out. So you start off and you have to find a place with good resources. So I've started here next to some the highest value iron, some carbon. You can start as expansive, which gets more claims. See these claims down here? You only get a certain amount of them, which I've used on these different things. So mining iron, aluminium, and getting power. So now I'm getting money from the power, I'm getting iron, and I also need a steel mill to turn that into steel. So first, what you've got to focus on first is upgrading to level 5. So you get aluminium, steel, and electronics. You get given the electronics to start off with because you can't make it off the bat because you don't have enough claims. There's also this cool stuff, the black market. Now let's have a little bit of geese at what we can do with this. Who has something that I want or don't want them to have? So look at you. Where are you? No, you haven't got anything interesting. Here, you have some power. I might take that. No, that's not power. Yeah, some silicon. We can take that. So we can do a mutiny on that silicon. We are now taking the silicon instead of them. So it's really cool, this black market, and it can get really competitive, especially if you're playing with friends, which this does support. So let's see what we need here. Just need a bit more steel. There we go, we can buy that steel. So now we're upgraded, we can get some more claims. Alright, what do we need? We're going to need some more mines, more production, some, what else? We're losing power again, so we want to get a geothermal vent. Yes, we can. Alright, so we need a bunch of steel for that. Oh, it's paused. Yes, so see, this is our stock right here. We want to keep that high as possible. And we need to keep ourselves out of debt to do that, and also be worth more by having more money and having more stuff. All right, here we go. What's happening? The start of the game it's pretty slow going, but it can get really hectic towards the end of the game. Jeez, like by some games you're limited by how fast you can move your mouse. Seriously, it gets ridiculous. What is this? An auction? Oh, cool. Yeah, it's a relatively new game, relatively indie type game, but I really love it. It's one of my favourite games. Oh, extra claim. Yes, mine. I go about as high as 20,000 on these. Okay, last bid. I won't do another one. 20 is a bit too much, actually. let's get some.
has been upgraded.
That's a lot of fuel to get some. So you also use fuel to go to places. Oh, I need to get it though. It's going to be worth a lot. There we go. I need some fuel too. Carbon. Oh, I need some power too. I need carbon. I just don't mind some carbon. There we go. Well, there's no fuel to get to there.
Scavenger HQ has been upgraded.
What else can I do? What? Glass? Mine silicon? I'm getting silicon now. Do a kiln. There we go. Someone built the first geothermal plant. So now I'm losing quite a bit of money to power because I'm not producing power. And as I need more and more power, the demand for power gets higher. So power gets more expensive.
A scientific HQ has
And then I lose more money, which is not good. So I want to go mutiny some power or to make some power, but I don't have the money to mutiny power, so it's a bit of a problem. Now I've got glass up and coming. What else do I need? And here comes the, there we go. Minus water. Alright, so I'll go do this and let's hope it's worth it. So if this needs water, but I'm not getting water, so it will auto buy water if it's valuable, if it's worth it. So if the price of water is less than the profit made by selling the fuel, it will make fuel. But it automatically turns stuff off if it's not making profit, which is quite cool. 9% interest. Whoa, 30 grand to debt. That's not good. Alright, geothermal plant. Right there. Need more claims. Bugger. Okay, I need to upgrade for more claims. I need electronics. I'm not going to get that money. I am going to have to sell. I'll just sell the kiln. Oh no, I can't do that. What I'll do is I'll sell the kiln and I'll put one of these there. Because you have to put geothermal plants on geothermal vents, which is an issue. This should give me enough power to get in the positive though. Give you about 1 power. 1.1. There you go. Carbon, come on carbon. See what I mean? It's kind of a bit slow at the start. But anyway, we'll get going. Only just at the start. Here we go. Here's some power. What do I need to upgrade? I need money. Let's sell some stuff. How much steel do I need? Steel, let's bring that back to... There we go. Upgrade. Now we've got some more claims, we can do some more stuff.
Let the bidding begin.
I don't want that. We've got fuel, we need some water. There's some water, we need chemicals. What does that use? Use carbon, fuel, and power. Chemicals is worth a lot, so it's a good thing to get. That's just money making. The scientific HQ needs it. I never use scientific, I only use robotic or scavenger. Scavengers use this dark carbon and they just use it for almost everything. It's quite helpful. So if you have a big patch of these, you just always go scavenger. It's great. Let's sell off this. 28,000. Whoa.
Congratulations.
We've got that coming in. What else do we need? We need some fuel, do we? No. Fuel's worth a lot. Let's sell that off. Ooh, hackers? No, I don't want hacker. Glass gun, I can get that back, can't I? One more claim tile left. I am going to get some more power. Put it there. See, that uses half the claim because it produces 2.2 instead of 1.1, but you need it on a geothermal vent. And yeah, and they get snapped up real quick a lot of the time.
A scavenger HQ.
Oh, look at the carbon price. Rocketing. You are not making profit. See, the power is worth more than the chemicals at the moment. Because there's no market for chemicals yet. The scientific HQ, I guess, hasn't started using it yet. Eventually that should start to go down. You see it went from... Yeah, there you go, it's going down there. Ah, solar flares, great fun. I forgot what they do. I think they just take up ships. The ships flying around. So they're the reason you need fuel. Oh, I thought getting water. I thought getting enough water. Still making money. That's all cool then. Fuel, let's go off. Losing... Oh, thank you. Thank you. Who did that? I need to go get some revenge on a buddy of mine. Steel production. I get a fair bit of steel. Not sure. Am I power up and running it? I'm still losing power. What can I do about this? This guy seems like something to take out. Let's use a power surge.
Scavenger HQ
Bugger.
has been upgraded.
So he defended all this. So I can't attack all that, which is a bugger.
A scientific HQ has been upgraded.
Oh, there's got some glass here. There we go. Upgrade with that. You really shouldn't upgrade with money, but it's what I always do. It's a bad habit, but what are you gonna do? Need some steel, that's rapidly coming in. Water, okay, food. I'm robotic, so I don't need food, that's great. Can I get some more fuel? What's that gonna use? Actually, I might do some more glass. Then I need silicon as well. Oh, I need electronics. So good. Silicon carbon, I can do that. I can probably do 2 actually. Need some more power. More steel.
New building is available for
Don't
auction.
want that. That's some more power. I wish you could skip it and auto do the auctions, because if you're not going to bid. Where is it? Oh, you can get money from the... So the idea is your companies, and there's a settlement here. So you got all your warehouses, machine shops, and then these are the housing. Yes. Yeah. So there's this kind of skirmish, or you can do one where you can do the campaign, and in the campaign you have to buy all these things for the settlement, and then they choose you or they preference you, and if you buy enough of them for the colony, then you win. That's how you win in campaign. But this is just buying everyone else out, so you have to buy all these.
Is online.
So if I went and sold a lot of stuff, I could buy shares. If I fill up that bar, then buy this bar with my shares, I can take that person over and make money from them. They're kind of like a sub company of mine. Ooh, they have enough money to buy me out almost. I don't like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell a bunch of stuff and buy a share in me. So if I buy a share in me, that's harder for them to buy me out. Oh, see? First buying up. It gets good. We got electronics, that's coming in now. When can we upgrade? Oh, we need a lot of money to upgrade, don't we? Shit.
A scavenger HQ has
I
been
might get
upgraded.
myself a hacker array. Should I do that? Sure. Hack arrays are neat. You can actually affect the price of things. So if you're making a lot of power, which I am, you can say, I want the price of power to be higher. Okay. See, power price is so high now, I'm making so much money off it, that electronics factories actually aren't making money. Oh, there we go. It's back in the positive now, so they're working, but only for $1. Yeah. This hack array, I'll be able to bump the price of power up even more and make money off this $200 and make it more instead. See, as my debt goes down, as you can see here, because I'm making all this power, my stock price goes up. So if you have no debt, you'll have a higher stock price, so it's harder for people to buy you out.
The hacker array is finished.
Ooh, hacker array, here we go.
Passwords.
Let's put a shortage on energy. That will take a minute. Really? Chemicals? They're not making any money? Whoa, power is so expensive. Alright. We have some stuff we can have a bit of fun with here, don't we? What can we do? We have heaps of power, so let's take out someone else's power. Let's mutiny it, actually. That's even better. You got power? There's power. I'm gonna mutiny this. Hey, there we go. Since they had a goon squad there, which cost $14,000, that was just deflected, and the goon squad we used. But yeah, and then they'd be able to take the mutiny I used and use it back on me.
Buy me and unleash me on your enemies.
So that's one of the black market things that's not available in this game. They're randomized. There's about 10 of them,
Auction
and they're randomized each game, so it's different. You can't use the same. You can't reliably use the same strategy every time, which is quite interesting. Oh, San Marino, he's getting going.
A scientific HQ has been upgraded.
It's about the price of power's about to jack up. This is going to be good.
price manipulations to begin shortly.
Gonna wait so I don't spend my money on this. Oh, what the hell? There we go. What can I do now? I've got an extra 5 claims. That I need 78k. So this is the Offworld market. You can ship stuff off the world and make a butt ton of money. Are these producing power money now? Yeah, they are, but not much. Glass. How's glass doing? Glass is doing really well. 2.5k.
The black market is open for business.
Glass kiln, glass kiln. So now at level 5, we want to use our claims on something that makes money all the time. Bump up the price of power again. Power, look at the price. Just skyrocketing. Oh, water too, awesome. Who can I buy shares in? You look pretty sad, don't you? Your share price is pretty down. Down the dumps. Want to be bought out? So now I'm not paying off debt anymore. My power goes straight into my money, which is awesome. Straight away, I think I'm going to buy shares in me. Yep. So when people buy shares in you, that makes you more valuable because there's more demand for you, which also makes your share price go up. So yeah, $1,000. That is awesome. $1,000 a tick.
A scavenger
Ooh, that is just too awesome. Too much money. Alright, here we go. What else do we need to sell? We're losing a butt ton of silicon. I could get a silicon farm. Has the silicon all been taken up? It has too. Look at that. Ah, damn it. Well, that's a money hole I'm not gonna... It's a sinkhole I'm never gonna lose.
Prepare for pending market adjustments.
Market adjustments. Let's bump me back up again. Keep doing that. That's always fun. It costs a certain amount of money to do it, but it's definitely worth it. Ooh, I've got some good chemicals coming in here. There we go. Buy you a bit. Buy you a bit more. Now we have to buy them outright. So no more shares to be bought, we have to buy them fully.
New building is available for auction.
You need 100,000k. 100,000k more. I don't want that. Please bid on it, please. If he bids on it, yes! Please, no one bid against it. Ah. This guy buys it, he'll be putting more debt. There we go. His stock price will go down. Be easy for me to buy him. Yeah, oh no. Bid it, bid it, bid it. Come on. Come on. Ah, damn it.
Congratulations.
Alright, so I need some more money. How am I going to get there? I need some more money. Where am I going to get it? Where am I going to... I've got another 3 tiles. Oh, I can buy that. Oh, I shouldn't yet. I'm going to wait for the price to go down. So this, you can ship stuff off world and make a lot of money. Ooh, I didn't put a goon squad on that one. Someone else. Oh, he was trying to mutiny this. Oh, that means I can mutiny it because it wouldn't have put a goon. Oh, it's defended. Because if that goon squad got consumed, then I could jump on it and grab it. Oh, I'm not making much money. You mutiny my geothermal plant. You bastard. Well, I'm going to do it back. I bought the mutiny. Mine now. So you can actually mutiny it back, which I find awesome. No, they're doing shortages on the power now, I think. I don't want that. That's bad for my business. Oh, can I almost buy them out? 316, it's gone up. Their stock price has gone up, so they've gone up. So their buyout price has gone up. Come on, I need to get there, come on. How am I going to get there? Sell all the stuff, sell everything I have. Gonna buy him. Come on. Can I buy him? 328, keeps going up. I can't catch up.
The black market is online.
Yes. 333, come on. Yes, mine. There we go. Awesome. So I bought most of it, but see, he still owes a slice. Now I should make money on that soon, hopefully. Or he's completely useless and he's not making any money.
Manipulations to begin shortly.
Alright. Oh wow, that price is going way down. Yes, workers, please slack off. That would be great for me. Now I need to buy some shares of myself. I've got 5 claims. Oh, also you get claims from buying other people out. So that's also good. Alright. What can I make? I'm getting much too much iron, so I'm gonna make some steel. Some more there's 2 more steel. I'm losing a lot of that.
I'm not sure
Can't do
how
much.
you can buy a magnetic storm, but there's one for auction now.
No, I don't want to play that much for it. They just destroy the ships. I can make some more power, how about that? Whoa, I'm starting the map, eh? What else can I do? What else can I do? 2 claims left. Spike you.
Sold.
Alright, so one of the... Oh, now I'm making $100 a tick from that. Oh, come on. Doesn't do much. Like, it destroyed some of my steel. See, watch it. Every 20, see the 20 going up? A ship will get sent, and those magnetic storms wipe ships out of the air. So it does a bit of damage in the early game, but in the later game, doesn't really affect much. I'm going to buy a share in you, because I can. Jeez, price of power has gone down again. Shit. It's almost nothing again. No, I don't want an Offworld. Electronics, glass, steel, and electronics. Wow. Someone, you can see, someone's put a shortage on this and they're selling it off, so it keeps going down. So someone's got a hacker array and they're doing that.
Market adjustments.
Here we go. Price, go up. Come on. Up. That's the wrong way. Wrong way. What else can I do? What do I have a lot of? I have a lot of glass. Let's break that. Shouldn't have sold it then, but buy you up. Save you. How much? 54. 54. Alright. I shouldn't have sold all that glass. Shit. Steel, come on. Ah, see, he just built an off-world market. He's going to start bringing that money pretty soon. 50k for a goon squad! What the hell? Oh, I can't afford that. That's ridiculous. 20k. So normally you put goon squad on this for about 10k. And then people can't attack it, but that's going to be really vulnerable to attack. I bet you don't have a goon squad on there. You could you? I'm going to try and mutiny it. Oh, he did too! He spent 50 grand? He mutinied my water pump. God's sake. Oh, but I'm losing water. It's costing me a bit of money. Money's still going up.
Misinformation in progress.
Oh yes, glass. Here we go. Here we go.
A fully refurbished mule is ready to lend itself.
Oh, the mule. If you don't have any claims left, you can use that as an illegal kind of claim. Yeah, it's quite interesting. What can I do? Some more chemicals that use carbon. Yeah, I do some more chemicals. 20k for 2 mules. It's quite ridiculous. It gets you 400 of the thing. So you put a mule on carbon and you get 400 carbon. So they're paying 20 grand for 400 carbon, and carbon's worth... Oh, it won't be carbon, they'll take the most valuable thing, which is carbon.
Congratulations.
Yeah, it's carbon. So carbon's worth $100, let's say. They're paying 20 grand for 400 times 100, which I cannot be bothered to do. Something like 40,000. Oh yeah, that's profit. Yeah. I guess they're right. They're doubling their money.
Offworld market is assembled.
Hey,
Fortune awaits.
what can we sell? Let's sell some oxygen. Great. I'm gonna buy some shares in me.
The black market is open for business.
Alrighty. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah.
Price manipulations to begin shortly.
Come on. That's just me. So they disabled all of that. Because they just could. Who did that? Who did it? I bet it was you. Must have been you. Alright. Come on, both sides. So now I'm making nothing. That's great. I'm making a bit from this one here. And a few over here. Oh, the glass is still going. That's my main producer. Power. Money anyway. Oh my god, the price of power is nothing.
Offworld shipment launched.
Can I stop selling it so they get demanding of it? I might steal someone else's power. Actually, there's some power. Oh, the Heavigoon's got that though. I could try power surge this. Hey, it worked. Only 2? Normally does way more than that. Bugger. I thought we'd do that whole section there. Bugger. Alright. Oh, trading markets. What can we do? What can we do? There's lots of more oxygen, eh? I have some more money. I'm going to buy some shares of you. $100,000. Can I scrap that together? Almost. Yeah, this is not one of those crazy games, but some of them are ridiculous. Now I need $543,000. What about this dude? Hey, it costs less still. I prefer to buy the big gun because there's less competition. Oh guys, sorry about the whirring noise. My computer is a hurricane. Yeah. Just didn't take into consideration when I was building it how much noise it makes. I'm gonna pay my debt. No? Don't pay debt? No. Okay. 555.
Launch affirmative.
Sleep.
What
Yeah.
a payout.
It's cheaper to buy this right now. Let's do it then. What a payout, eh? What else can I ship off? Same oxygen. Alrighty. Sorry guys, this isn't one of the best games, but it is pretty awesome. Pretty awesome game. Not the game itself is amazing, but this game, this skirmish I'm playing, isn't one of the most intense. A lot of them are extremely intense. Oh, let's make some money off that, eh? Oh my god, look at the price of that. That's ridiculous. I'm losing power? How am I losing money from power? I get mutinied. Still own that. Still own that. I still own all my power. What's happening here? Huh. Don't know. Oh, there we go. Bank the positives. How weird. Oh, he bought him out.
Shipment. Make room for the profits.
Shit. So he owns that one, I own this one. Oh, I'm making heaps of money off this dude. Awesome. I'm in debt again? Oh, from the power. So the power just went down for no reason for a sec. Now, now it's back up, so happy. 30k from that, about to come in. You're not making money. Why aren't you making money? Because power's too expensive. Sure. Sure, why not? 653k. Alright, I'm halfway there. No, I don't. No. See, just keep fluctuating. Maybe it's the wind. Maybe it's this wind turbine being taken out and this one being weak. I don't know. $260k. That's going up almost as fast as I'm making money. Jeez. Alright. He's buying my stock. That's great. Okay.
Price manipulations to begin shortly.
Money, thank you for the
Shipment
money.
launched. Look at all the money.
Ship some of that off. If you lose money from shipping off water, I guess Earth is covered in water, so can't blame too much. Want more of me? Okay, sure. Knock yourself out. $750. Okay, I'm almost there. He hasn't got 50, so it comes up when he has 50%. He hasn't got that yet, so I'm okay. Just got to buy me out. Doesn't say. This guy's making more money than that guy is. What am I gonna do? Whoa! What was that? Popped up there. Glass manipulation is going to come in a second. That'll make me a shit ton of money.
Prepare for pending market
800,000. Let's do.
Launch affirmative. What a payout.
Let's do glass again. That's a lot of money. Come on. Whoa. He piggybacked it before I could get it. 837, I'm so close. Oh no, my water pump. He must really need water. So close. 840. Wait, why can't I buy him? It must be a couple of dollars. There we go. A win. Yes. Dwayne for the win. There we go. Let's have a look. Glass, yeah. Glass is a good money maker. What did he have? Food! Look at the money he made of food. Jesus Christ. But look how much money he lost off food. That's the advantage of being robotic. You don't need food. Silicon, yeah. I was making a lot of glass, so it's really only made 560k off glass because I lost so much on silicon making the glass. Isn't it funny that these two people, their biggest money maker and sinker was the same. Yeah, I love Mutiny. Mutiny's the best. He loved the power. He was probably putting the power surgeon on me. Jeez, what a pain. Anyway. There we go. Just looking over all the stuff that people have built afterwards. It's a pretty sparse map, this one. Normally there's twice or 3 times as many resources as this, so it's very sparse. Anyway. Thank you for watching, guys. This has been a Corn Chips and Mayo episode. Hope you enjoyed. I really like Offworld Trading Company. I think you should give it a look. It's on Steam. I think it's $20 US. Don't quote me on that. I think so. Last time I checked. I think when I bought it was. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I really enjoyed making this episode. Hope you enjoyed. Like if you liked, dislike if you disliked, and subscribe to Corn Chips and Mayo. Thanks for watching.